I did a poll on Instagram asking my followers this question. And then one of the very intriguing questions was this one. Read it. How to buy more houses? The answer is very simple. I'm talking about New Jersey market. We're in a very strong seller's market. However, you still have a chance to buy, especially if you have already bought a home in the past. Let's say you haven't. You buy the first home, which is going to be your primary residence. You live in it for, let's say, 2 years, and then you sell it. During those 2 years, the equity goes up. So the money that you make, you put that money as a down payment on another property. But even better solution is to buy this property. If it needs renovation, just renovate it, live in it at least for a year, then take money out from your equity and from under this home, buy another home with that money, and then the money that you're going to charge for rent of the first home is going to be calculated as your income when you're purchasing another home. And you can repeat that process every year, every 2 years, and every single one of them, I promise you, that is going to be easier on your pocket, easier on your emotions. It's going to be like buying milk after a while, and it's going to get bored. I'm sorry, I'm an investor, and it feels like that. So the first step is to buy the first home, and the rest will follow. So you can buy the first home, live in it, then you can sell it or you can rent it. But either way, you're still going to get enough money to purchase another home. And like I said, every next one is going to be much, much easier. So my answer to this question would be simple. Just start buying homes.